What's up? My name is Bryce and welcome back to Saber Films. Today I'm going to show you some of the best free editing softwares that you can get on a PC. Alright, let's jump right into it. Okay, so starting off with our free ones, this one is actually an online video editor, which is actually very rare. You're going to want to go to Panzoid.com, and there's a free editor there, and it's actually really good. Panzoid.com/video editor or whatever. Alright, for our free editor number 2, we have HitFilm Express. It's a very good video editor. It also doubles as a kind of cross between Premiere Pro and After Effects, so if you want to get into visual effects and compositing but also want to edit your videos, HitFilm Express is definitely the one for you. That one is at the FX Home website, which I will show on screen as well. Okay, number 3 is DaVinci Resolve 16. There's a free version on blackmagicdesign.com, and that one's really awesome. If you watch Grayton on YouTube, he's the co-founder of Saber Films, link up one of these corners. He uses DaVinci Resolve to edit all of his videos because he has a Mac and doesn't want to buy Premiere Pro. Alright, for video editor number 4, you have the Cyberlink Power Director, which there is a free version available for PC, Windows 10, and it just, I'm pretty sure it might come installed on the computer. I think mine did, actually. So that's a cool one to check out. That one can be just found on the Microsoft Store if you search that up. Alright, for the 5th and final one, this one may actually seem kind of funky, but Blender, which is a 3D modeling software and 3D rendering software, can also be used as a video editor and compositor, I think. I know it's a video editor, I think it's compositor, and you can actually do some cool stuff in there. I haven't tried it, but I know it does work, so check that one out. All of the links to all of them will be in the description, so check them out. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, click the notification button, please. We're trying to grow the channel because we only have like 60 subscribers or whatever, and they'd like to get more. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Which, like I said in the video yesterday, will probably be again tomorrow because quarantine stuff.